looking pretty. I have still yet to freaking get that damn bracket. But I think in this video I'm gonna probably put the wing on because the bracket finally came in. That was the last piece of the puzzle. But after I get the bracket, I'm gonna have to go to Home Depot to get some screws. But all of that dirt or dust. Did as best as I possibly can cleaning the car though. She gleaming. Back with my boy Eric. This is his car. I don't know if I ever showed y'all. Bro, his car is perfect. Perfect. But definitely shout out to Eric for giving me not only the bracket, but some JDM Red Bull. 2 JDM Red Bulls plus the bracket. My car sounds god awful right now, bro. I need a valve adjustment. Something's going on with my brakes. It's probably the last time I'm gonna drive this car for a while. Definitely probably gonna get the valves adjusted and, you know, just so I can enjoy the car. I don't know if you can hear it though. Sounds horrible. We are home. Everything is laid out on my coffee table. Shout out to my girlfriend. She picked up this nice coffee table. Facebook Marketplace be having the deals, bro. But let me turn the camera and show you guys. This is the wing. Shout out to Ashley. She painted the wing stands for me. They've just been sitting in my trunk, so I'm gonna have to touch them up a little bit, clean them up or whatever. But regardless of the fact, the car will be back in the body shop very soon. Like, I'm gonna have her paint the rest of the car. But yeah, Chelsea's not gonna like this. She's gonna come in ready to throw hands. All right, guys, one bracket is on. This is how it looks. It goes on like that. And then the bolts that are provided. I don't know if I have to tighten this a little more. I mean, the washer is spinning. I don't want to over tighten it either. But I don't know. I just want to put the wing together. That's all I want to do. So let's see. In the middle of the night while I'm assembling the wing in my house. But this time, I got the daily with me. She's looking clean from far, but once you get close, trash. Guys, since this side is on, I have to run to Home Depot. I said Home Depot. Depot to get some more screws. I'm trying to find the packaging. Damn. So just use this one. You need an M6 1.0, but you see how it says 20 mil? Get a 16. This is what I have right here. That is the exact size. That is perfectly, perfect for the wing. As you can see, did that. Maybe the washers could be a little smaller, but gets the job done. And then you peep my son Jeremy in the background, watching his little TL videos. Well, wing goes on like so. Make sure, put the washer through. That is the wing. I don't think the video caught it, honestly. But this is the wing, halfway assembled. She's looking nice. She might go on tomorrow, anytime this week, but it needs to be cleaned. Look at all of these handprints. Crazy, just a couple of months ago, this was championship weight. And after you mock the wing up and it's like that, you're not gonna wanna see these screws right here, so get yourself a useful Latina for once. Looking at you, Mrs. Handy Mandy, the mechanic.
No, if I break it, then my fault.
Please don't. Nice. It snaps in just like that.
You already sweating?
Hey, I'm sweating. Listen, I am 260. I am big as hell. Of course I'm sweating. Nice. No ugly screws exposed. Now I just gotta.
I just said wait.
I just gotta freaking clean this whole wing.
Why is it doing that?
Oh, now it's on. There you go.
I was like, why is it moving? Holy shit, it's terrible.
Yeah, no.
Why'd you push this one in?
What?
Pushed it in.
Alright guys, that's the wing now. What you think?
Looks nice.
Yo, it looks sick. Show the back, show the back, show the back. Oh. Oh, I got paint fade again, but that's just the dew.
Your license plate.
Now the morning time already been in progress. I had to do running around at freaking Home Depot just for Home Depot not to have M6 1.0 by 16s. These are practically the same screws from earlier. So I got one side on. Ow. Tripped. But looks, I'm envisioning it finished, but so far this side has been pissing me off. So if you guys don't know, a lot of people buy the FD1 trunks and drill holes, but if you have a real authentic FD2 trunk like this, it comes with the threads already, and it comes with these little rivets, I guess what you call it. So this is a real FD2 trunk with obviously a real FD2 wing. See, this is how it's supposed to look. These nuts are covered when the middle piece is on. So, yeah, this has been very annoying. Like, the screw just doesn't want to thread correctly. And this is why you use OEM Honda nuts. But I don't feel like waiting a month for some damn screws. It's about to be, we're in November. It's about to be December, you know? Don't want to wait. By far the most annoying fucking install I have ever had to fucking do. Looks beautiful though. Can't even lie. But never again. Don't hit me up trying to, hey, you want to put my FD2 OEM wing on? No, I'm not doing it. Look at this dumb shit, bro. I waited so fucking long for it to fucking break. I just snapped it in, go to the other side, pop it in on this side, then this piece of shit falls out, and I notice the fucking lip where I just showed decides to fucking break. Waited so long for this piece of fucking shit. But the wing is 95% on. I'm having also another issue. Maybe that's the reason why you're supposed to use the OEM screws. Smelling do no good for you, but my big back ass still picks one up to buy at Home Depot. This just doesn't, like, this piece of shit screw right here just does not want to go in. I tighten, and it just doesn't do nothing over it. This side, on the other hand, perfect. And I'm gonna also need one more piece. There's like a little piece. It looks just like that little end cap right there, or wing caps, or whatever. It goes right there. It has a screw. Screw it in. Perfectly flush, where you don't have screws exposed. But looks very good. But definitely the most, by far, probably the most annoying fucking thing I have ever had to put on this damn car. Like, just the threads are so easy to like mess up the threads. But I think it's because of these Home Depot screws. Like, you need the OEM screws. But yeah, guys, the wing is officially on. This is the outro of the video. I'm just showing y'all. I wiped down the car a little bit. I still need the bracket for the license plate. So just pretend that it's straight and looks like how it's supposed to. But at first, when I mocked it up onto the car, I didn't really like the wing. But now it's officially grimy. And it's just like, yo, bro, the look I'm going for and I went for it is just completed. So this is like V3 of the build. Next thing I'm gonna do, getting new wheels, definitely doing the seats and doing the interior. It's pretty much all I can think about, but I'm pretty content with my car. It's going back to the body shop because, as you can see, the fender and the door is off. I just need to blend it in. But my boy, my sis Ashley got me. She's gonna paint the rest of the car for me. I just didn't paint the car just because I took the car on my birthday and just never brought it back to the shop. But I can't get over it. She looks beautiful. Like, have y'all seen how this car looked in 2020? God damn.